So, I'd like to start the plan. So, if you are investors and if you want to be successful, if you want to boost up your business, if you want to take your business to next level, you need to have knowledge about plan. You need to have knowledge about products of our company. You need to have knowledge about profile of our company. So I'd like to give you knowledge about the plan of our company. So what is the plan of Vestige, which is helping millions of people to earn, which is helping million of peoples to be financially independent. So what is the plan and how does it helps to make you financially free? So I'm going to talk about that success plan, Atmanirbhar success plan. So you can also take as it is a short formula for financial independence. The plan of our company is a short formula for financial independence. So if you can have knowledge about this plan, if you have good knowledge about plan of our company, it is going to help you to boost up your business. It is going to help you to take your business to the next level. So what is the plan of our company? How does it help to make you financially free? So we are going to talk about this. So I'd like to take you to the next slide so you can see network marketing versus traditional market. How does Vestige provides you money? How does Vestige helps you to earn? How does the plan of Vestige helps you to get income? So I'm going to give you an example. So before knowing how Vestige pays us, you need to understand difference between our traditional market and our network marketing company. So in traditional market, there is a company which produce a product. For example, it produce a soap for 40 cent. Let's take as 40 rupees. So this product goes to an CNF agent, and after that this product goes to an distributor. So there is increment in price from one party to another party. Whenever it goes from CNF agent to distributor, there is certain increment in the price level. So when the product goes to wholesaler, there is an increment, and these products do so much of advertisement. So advertising is done, like you can say advertisement of different products in television, you can say advertising of different products in newspaper. So when they advertise the product, so there is certain increment in the price level of that product. For example, let's say the product which was produced in 40 rupees, when it goes to CNF agent, there is certain increment in price. When it goes to distributor, there is certain increment. When the advertising is done between those products, so there is certain increment. So when this product goes to an wholesaler, there is certain increment. When this product goes to a retailer, so for example, the shop where you buy the products, the departmental store where you buy the products is a retailer, so there is certain increment. These all people take some benefit. They take some benefit wherever. For example, this CNF agent takes some benefit, this distributor takes some benefit, this advertising company takes some benefit, the wholesaler takes some benefit, and retailer or shopkeeper takes some benefit. So after that you purchase the product. So whenever you purchase the product of 40 rupees, the original cost was 40 rupees, but you are buying that product in 100 rupees. So 60% is earned by this intermediator party, 60% is earned by third party. So other people are earning 60% from your expenses. So what does network marketing company do? What does Vestige do? So in Vestige, it is called consumer network, it is called direct selling. So there is no third party, there are no intermediator. For example, there is our Vestige company, this is our Vestige company. So Vestige produces a goods which cost 40 rupees. So you buy that product on 100 rupees, and as bonus you will get 60% of income. You are getting 60% yourself if you can achieve the post of Vestige Marketing Private Limited. So if you can achieve this post, you can generate some kind of income with the help of Vestige Marketing Private Limited. So directly it is a direct selling company, so there is no intermediator. Our products never does advertisement, we doesn't advertise our product. There is no CNF agent, there is no wholesaler distributor, there is no retailer. So it is a link between company and consumer, it is a consumer network. So buy the product and you can make money from that. You are the one who is buying the product and you are the one who is getting income from that purchasing. So purchase the product and generate income with the help of same product. So this is the concept of Vestige Marketing Private Limited. So this is the way how we earn in Vestige. We have been buying so much of products in commercial market, we have been buying so much of products in traditional market. So when we buy that product, our money is just being an expenses. Our money is working as a term of expenses. We are not earning from those expenses, but in Vestige it is taken as investment. Our expenses is taken as investment. The more we buy products from company, the more we earn. So this is simple concept of Vestige. So I like to take you to our plan. So I like to show you some benefit of our company. What are the benefits of Vestige Marketing Private Limited? So you can see, change your shop and enjoy benefit. The thing you need to do is you need to change your shop and you can enjoy benefits of our company. So what are the benefits that we are going to get from Vestige? At first, you are going to get world-class products. So what does world-class products means? Vestige provide you world-class quality products. It means the products that you use from Vestige are almost chemical-free. There is no harmful chemicals in our products. You cannot find any kind of harmful chemicals in our products. There is no harmful chemical products. So at first you are going to use quality products. I like to give you an example. There are so much of people who are suffering from skin diseases. There are so much of people who are suffering from different kind of health problems because they are using low quality products. For example, if you use sunscreen regularly for 20 years, if you use sunscreen regularly for 10 to 30 years, and the sunscreen that you are using, if it is of low quality, it is going to lead you to skin cancer. Such diseases can occur from low quality products. So when you change your shop, you can enjoy world-class quality products with affordable price. So this is your first benefit that you are going to get from Vestige Marketing Private Limited. And in second, you are going to get retail profit, which is almost 10 to 20% from company. And in third number, you are going to get repurchase offer, which is 8 to 10%. So what is repurchase offer? For example, I would like to give you an example. If you buy product of 1,000 rupees this month from a shop, and if you want to buy the product of 1,000 rupees next month to that shop, is that shopkeeper going to give you products of worth of 8 to 10% extra? Is that shopkeeper going to give you products which is of 8 to 10% more of that 1,000 rupees? So is that shopkeeper going to give you bonus 8 to 10%? The answer is no. No shopkeeper gives you bonus 8 to 10% if you buy products regularly from a shop. So no shopkeeper is going to give you that. But in Vestige, you can get 8 to 10% repurchase offer. So it is going to help you to boost off your business. It is going to help you to get more products in less price. So in four number, the fourth benefit is you are going to get consistency offer, which is nearly 17%. So what is consistency offer? So if you buy the products of 100 PV regularly for 4 months, you are going to get products worth 4,000 rupees in 5th month. So this currency is in Nepali. So I like to convert it in international currency. So we can take in dollar. 1 PB equals to 0.4 cent. 1 pp equals to 0.4 cent. So if you buy the products of 100 pb regularly for 4 months, you are going to get product of almost 80 pb for free. You are going to get products of 80 pb for free on 5th month from the help of our company. So these are the 4 benefits you are going to enjoy after you change your shop. So these are the simple benefits. So there is no registration fee in our company. We should not pay any kind of fees to our company. So there is no renewable fee also. So there are so much of company which does not take you registration fee, which does not take registration fee from you. But after 1 month, but after 6 months, but after 1 year, they ask you some kind of renewable charges as subscription. But in Vestige, there is no renewable fee. So in third number, there are no hidden charges, and condition, there are no hidden charges. Whenever you join the company, it is totally free. There is no renewable charges, there is no hidden charges and hidden condition in our company. And there is also buyback policy, which is also known as 30 days refund policy. So if you buy 4 soap from Vestige, and if you use one and you don't like it, so after that you can return that product to our company within 30 days of buying. So these are the benefits you are going to get as soon as you change your shop. As soon as you change your shop, you are going to get these all kind of benefit from Vestige Marketing Private Limited. So I'd like to take you to our plan. So you can see there are 9 ways to earn income in Vestige. Before it was 7 ways. Before lockdown in India, there were 7 types of income that we used to earn from Vestige. So after lockdown, company gave us an opportunity to earn 9 ways of income. So in Vestige, we can earn 9 types of income. So at first, there is saving on consumption, which is almost 10 to 20%. At second, there is performance bonus, which is 5 to 11%. At third, there is bronze director bonus, which is 4%. At fourth number, you can say business building bonus, which is 14% is for silver and above. So at fifth number, you can see leadership overriding bonus. At sixth number, you can see travel fund. At seventh, you can see car fund. At eighth, you can see house fund. And at ninth, you can see elite club bonus for DCD and DUCD. So what are these bonus? How you are going to achieve this kind of bonus? I like to show you this all kind of bonus in detail. So I like to take you to saving on consumption. So what is saving on consumption? So I like to make you understand this simply. So for example, if a product whose MRP is 120 rupees, and if you join Vestige, if you join our company, if you join Vestige Marketing Private Limited and purchase that product with your ID number, you are going to get that product on 20% off. For example, if a product whose MRP is 120 rupees, and if you join our company, you are going to get that product in just 100 rupees. So you are going to get that product in just 100 rupees. So you can save 20%. You are saving 20% of your expenses when you buy a product after joining our company. So for example, if you bought a product on 100 rupees, and if you can sell that product on MRP, you are going to get 20% directly. And if you use that product, if you consume that product yourself also, you are going to get 20% discount, and you are going to get another 8 types of income whenever you purchase any kind of product from our company. This is saving on consumption is only income which is active income. If you can sell it to someone, if you can go and sell it to someone, you can get 20%. But after this saving on consumption, the remaining 8 types of income are fully passive income. You should not do anything for those earning. You should not go and sell. You should not sell those products to someone to get other kinds of income, to get those 8 kinds of income from Vestige. So take those 8 kinds of income as fully passive income. They are fully passive income. So I like to take you to the next slide. So you can see there is performance bonus, which is 5 to 11%. So in performance bonus, there is a term called PB. You may think, what does this PB means? This PB is a measurement unit in our company. So take it as 1 PB equals to $0.4. $0.4. 1 PB equals to $0.4. So whenever you buy the product of $0.4, you are directly into the 5% pool. You enter the 5% club. So what does this 5% means? For example, if you buy a product of $1, and how much PB that makes, you are going to get 5% bonus on that. So whenever you do the business of 600 PB and above, you are above till 2399 PB, you are in 8% level. And what does this 8% means? When you were in 5% level and you bought the product of $1, you were getting 5% bonus. But whenever you reach 8% level and you bought the product of $1, you will get 8% bonus. So you should not do this alone. For example, if you have 100 people to do the business of $1, so it makes you the business of $100. So this way your business is going to get promoted. So I'd like to give you an example. So let's say to reach 8% level, you need to do the business of 600 pb. 600 into $0.4 equals to $240. So if you can do the business of $240, you will reach 8% level. So after that, if you purchase any goods that cost $1 also, you are going to get 8% bonus from our company. So for example, to do the business of $240, it is difficult for a single person, but if 10% can do that, it will be easy for you. So you should not do it alone. To bring the business of 600 pb, you should not do it alone. You can make a team. You can make a team of 10 people, 100 people, 1000 people, and if they purchase also, it will be summed up. It will be summed as total when it comes to your account. So if you need to do the business of 600 pb to reach 8% level, which is nearly $240. So 240 divided by 10, so it will be $24 for a single person. If you can join 24 people, and if you can join 10 people and a single person purchase of $24 also, you will reach in 8% level. So after that, if you purchase a product which cost $1 also, you are going to get 8% bonus. You are going to enjoy 8% bonus from company. So to reach 10% level, you need the business of 2400 pb to 5499 pb. So 2400 into $0.4 equals to $960. If you can do the business of $960, you will be in 10% level. So for example, you should not do this business alone. So $960 is a huge amount for a single person, but if you can find 100 people to do that. So if you have 100 people under you, and if a single person bought a product of 9.6 and $9.06, and also you are going to reach 10% level. So in a month, in average, a person nearly spend $100 to $200 for his home expenses. But if in Besties, if you can find 100 people who will spend only $9.6 in a month, also you can get to level 10%. So after reaching 10% level, you are going to get 10% bonus on whatever purchase you make, and whatever purchase your team does, you are going to get 10% bonus from that. And in Besties, there is no demotion, there is only promotion. So for example, if you reach 10% once, and if you didn't work for 3 months, 5 months, 1 year, or maybe 10 years, so whenever you will come again in Besties, you can start from 10% level. You should not go in 5% again. You should not go in 5% again. So for example, this month you reach the level of 8%. So next month, whenever you will start, you are going to start from 8%, not 5%. For example, so it means if you reach 10% once, it is your lifetime achievement. On next year, on next month, you should not start it from 5% again. Whenever you reach 10%, it is your lifetime achievement. If you didn't work for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, also whenever you again start to work in Prestige, you will start from whatever level you achieved before. So it is a business where there is only promotion, there is no demotion in our company. So this is also a good benefit for you. And I'd like to give you another benefit. So in Vestige, so whenever you do the business of 600 pb, so next month whenever you will start, so you will start from 600 pb. So this is one kind of benefit. There is no demotion, there is only promotion in Vestige, and the business is summed as accumulative. This is the accumulative plan. So for example, if your team does a business, it is counted to you also. You should not do this business alone, and it is also a generation income. Vestige also give you generation income. So for example, you are working now, and whenever, for example, something happens to us, means whenever we pass away, so this is transferred to our family. So whoever is nominee, this is transferred to them. So this is also a generation income. So it is going to make our generation, it is going to help our generation to make certain kind of income. So this is the benefit of Vestige Marketing Private Limited. So whenever you do the business of 5,500 PB plus, you are going to reach 11% level. After that, you are going to get a bronze director level. So after being bronze director, so you will get another types of income. So before saying that, I'll like to give you some example of fast 8% and fast bronze director. So to reach 8% level, you have to do the business of 600 PB. But in a single month, if you can do the business of 282 PB, you are going to be 8% directly. So you are saving almost, I'll show you. So 600 into 0.4 equals to $240. But if you do the business of 282 in a single month, you should not do it alone. 282 PB, you should bring that business from your whole team. From whole team, you need to bring that business of 282 PB, which equals to almost $112. So if you can do the business of 282 PB in a single month, you are going to reach 8% level directly. So you should not do business of 600 PB. And to be bronze director, if you do the business of 4,500 PB, if you can do the business of 4,500 PB in a single month, you are directly going to be bronze director. So you are saving almost 1,000 PB. Almost 1,000 PB of business is saved if you can do fast star bronze director, if you can achieve fast star bronze director level. So this is performance bonus. And performance bonus, if you can understand this, you are going to understand everything. This is the main point. If you understand performance bonus, everything is so simple after this. So whenever you reach bronze director level, so to be qualified bronze director, you need to bring the business of 2001 PV from your whole team. If you can bring the business of 2001 PV from your whole team, after that you will be qualified bronze director. And after being qualified bronze director, you will get 4% bronze director bonus from our company. You are going to get 4% bronze director bonus. And what is this 4%? This 4% depends upon company's global turnover. What was company's global turnover? You are going to get royalty income. For example, if you are working from United States of America, and whatever the business comes from all around the world in Vestige Marketing Private Limited, you are going to get 4% bonus from that. So this is a royalty income. So you are going to get 4% bonus as bronze director bonus whenever you reach bronze director level. So after that, our next post is silver director. So to be silver director, for example, you joined us one person, and this person reaches 11%, means this person qualified bronze director. So whenever a single person under you qualified bronze director, and you can bring the site volume of 101 PB from all team, if you can bring 1801 PB business, and from this line if you can 2001 PB business, so after that you are going to be qualified silver director bonus. So whenever you became qualified silver director, you are going to get business building bonus, which is 14% from global turnover. And after that, you are going to get Vestige travel fund 5%. With the help of this travel fund, you can travel. So for example, there is a tour, our company take us to tour on January to February. In middle of January to February, we go for tour, Asian country trip. You can go for trip with the help of Vestige. So whatever your income was, 5% is separated for travel fund. So you can go for travel with the help of Vestige. And after that, you can also get another bonus, which is also known as leadership overriding bonus. So for leadership overriding bonus, whoever the person that becomes director under you, you need to bring 5,625 business from that person, and from sideline you have to bring 1,801 PB business. So after that, you are going to get leadership overriding bonus 16%, which is the highest income of our company. So you are going to get 16% LOB from the company. So for this, you need to bring 5,625 PB of business from a single line. For example, this person became bronze director. So from this line, you have to bring 5,625 PB of business. So under this person, there may be 100%, 1,000%, 500 people. So it doesn't matter. So whenever it comes to her, whenever it comes to this person, there should be the business of 5,625 PB. And from sideline, from this all line, you need to bring business of 1,801 PB. So after that, you will get highest income of our company, which is known as leadership overriding bonus, and it is 16%. It is given 16%. So after that, your next level is gold director. So to be qualified gold director, you need 2 bronze director under you. So what is bronze director? You may get confused. So whenever someone reaches 11% and does the business of 2001 in a single month from his total members, from his total team, so he is going to be a qualified, he or she is going to be a qualified bronze director. So whenever you have 2 qualified bronze director under you and you have to do business of 2001 PB from this line, you have to do business of 2000 PB from 2001 PB from this line, and total 1,501 PB from all sideline in a single month. After that, if you can do that, if you can maintain that, you will be a qualified gold director. So after being qualified gold director, you can get LOV from these 2 lines. So you can get this leadership overriding bonus from 2 lines. So from these 2 lines, you can enjoy leadership overriding bonus. So after that, next post is star director. So to be a qualified star director, you have to make 3 qualified bronze director, and if you can bring 2001 PB from 3 lines and 1001 PB from all remaining lines continuously for 3 months, if you can bring 2001 PB, 2001 PB, 2001 PB from 3 qualified bronze director and 1001 PB from remaining all your lines regularly for 3 months. So if you can do that, you will be a qualified star director. So after being qualified star director, you will get Vestige car fund, which is 5%. So I like to tell you, there are more than 10,000 car fund achiever from Vestige in India, and there are more than 500 people who have achieved luxurious car from Vestige, such as Mercedes, BMW, Jaguar, Range Rover, Land Rover. So there are more than 500 people who have achieved this kind of car from Vestige, and there are more than 10,000 people to achieve normal cars from Vestige. So you can see photo also. We have also got car book, so you can visit our website and you can see the photos of those people also. So after that, your next post is diamond director. So to be qualified diamond director, you need 4 qualified bronze director under you. If you have 4 qualified bronze director under you, and if they all do the business of 2001 PB in a single month, and if you can maintain 501 PB from sideline in a single month, you will be qualified diamond director. So after being qualified diamond director, you can enjoy travel fund. Another travel fund will be started, which is of European and American countries. So before the travel that company gave you was for Asian country. You can go for trip to Asian country, and this, whenever you reach diamond director, you can also go for travel to European country and American country with the help of Vestige Marketing Private Limited. So our next post is crown director. If you have 6 qualified bronze director under you, and after that you should not do any side maintenance. So after that, you are going to, if you qualify crown director, if you have 6 bronze director under you, after that you will be qualified crown director. So after being qualified crown director, you are going to get 3% house fund from our company. So you will get 3% house fund. So you can buy a car, you can go for travel, you can buy house with the help of Vestige Marketing Private Limited. So our next post is universal crown director. If you have 8 qualified bronze directors, after that you can be universal crown director. So after that, to be double crown director, you need 12 qualified bronze director. So whenever you have 12 qualified bronze director, you will get elite club bonus from our company, which is 2% of company's global turnover. So this 2% is so huge amount, because there are not many people in double crown director. There are only 40-50 people in double crown director, so 2% is divided among these 40-50 people. So this elite club bonus is going to be high for you. This bonus is very high for you. So if you can make 12 qualified bronze director under you, you are going to be qualified diamond double crown director. So after being double crown director, you are going to enjoy elite club bonus. So our last post is double universal crown director. So if you have 16 qualified bronze director under you, after that you can be double universal crown director. So this is the last post of our company. So these are all the posts, these are all the benefit you are going to get from Besties. So this is the plan. So don't think too much about this company, because you have been buying soap, you have been buying shampoo, you have been buying so much of health products, you have been buying so much of products in your daily life, and you are getting nothing from that, you are getting no money from that. So if you want to do big thing in your life, you need to start with small. So you think Vestige is small, so this is going to lead you to a big success in future days, in upcoming days. So this is the best company, this is the best growing company. If you can see, we jumped almost 30 level in each and every year. Like Vestige was in 93rd position before 3 years, so it came in 63rd position after in 2019. So if you talk about 2020, we are 30th largest direct selling company. So we are doing so much of progress. This company is going to be in top 10 by 2025, and in upcoming 10 years you will see Vestige in top 3 direct selling company. So this is the best opportunity for us, this is the best company for us. We have been doing so much of expenses in our daily life. We have been buying so much of beauty products, health products, cosmetic products. We have been buying so much of daily care products, home care products. So by making expenses on such kind of products, does those company give you any kind of profits? Are any kind of company giving you any kind of profit? But Vestige is going to give you so much of profits. Vestige is going to give you travel fund, house fund, and most importantly, it's not about money, it's about your financial freedom. You are going to get time freedom from Vestige. You will have enough time, you are going to get a good health, you are going to get a good future with the help of our company. So if you can understand the scope of this company, this is going to lead you to a big success. This company is going to change your entire life. So you need to understand the concept of Vestige. So if you can understand this business, if you can understand the plan of our company, if you can know the future, if you can understand what this company is going to do in future, so you cannot imagine, man, this company is going to lead you to a big success. You can start being a billionaire, you can be a billionaire, you can be a millionaire with the help of this company without any investment. So this is the best platform. Don't wait for the right moment, create the right moment. This is the best opportunity for you, this is the best time for you. Just join this company and start your business from now. So by saying this, I like to end this session. So I gave you complete knowledge about plan of our company. So there may be some mistakes in my English, but the plan is 100% true. This is 100% true plan. There is no any hidden condition in this. So this is the plan you need to know. So I have given you detailed information of our company's plan. So I like to end this session. So thank you, wish you well. So meet you at the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. We are just starting, we are planning to do big in future. So please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.